Welcome back to Shrinked by Quint, where each week we dive into the complexities of psychotherapy, dispelling myths and leveraging the latest research to explore a wide array of mental health topics. My goal is to empower you with knowledge and insights that nurture a healthier, happier life. Because after all, your health truly is your wealth. This week's going to be a little bit different because I want to basically shout out to UKCP for its bold initiative to tackle the advances of AI within the professional world of psychotherapy. Artificial intelligence is moving fast and breaking things quickly, as usual, with its chatbots and avatars. But as I'm sure many of us feel, it should not be allowed to threaten, never mind break, the discipline of psychotherapy. So let's dive in. As a UKCP qualified psychotherapist and founder of Cinema, an animation and video production company, I found UKCP's new strategic vision on AI's role in psychotherapy to be not just timely, but incredibly refreshing. As the digital world expands, the United Kingdom Council for Psychotherapy has unveiled a bold, new 3-year strategy to address the evolving role of artificial intelligence in therapy. This forward-thinking approach combines innovation with the values that make psychotherapy unique, ensuring the profession remains adaptable, ethical, and effective in a rapidly changing landscape. UKCP's new strategy embraces the potential of AI-driven mental health tools while focusing on safeguarding ethical standards and enhancing accessibility. From chatbots like Wiser and Youper to platforms connecting clients with therapists, AI is already shaping the way therapy is delivered. Rory Lees-Oakes, a UKCP member and co-founder of Counselling Tutor, highlights a critical shift. Therapists must now understand AI to remain competitive in the field. The UKCP strategy also supports a hybrid approach, combining AI technology with human expertise. This balance promises wider access to mental health support while upholding the depth and authenticity of human connection in therapeutic encounters. UKCP recognises the power of AI in making therapy more accessible. AI-driven apps eliminate wait times, overcome stigma barriers, and offer 24/7 support, allowing people who might otherwise avoid therapy to seek help. This opens a world of possibility for reaching new clients and reducing the gap in mental health accessibility, an issue that UKCP has long championed. However, some UKCP members point out the limitations of AI in replicating the nuanced understanding that human therapists provide. Helen Molden and others emphasize that while AI-driven tools can offer practical support, they cannot fully replace the empathic and existential insights that come from human interactions in therapy. UKCP's strategy, therefore, supports a balanced approach where AI complements human therapists rather than replacing them. Ethics and data privacy remain central in UKCP's new strategy. UKCP emphasises transparency in data usage, ensuring clients' confidentiality is protected in all AI-based interactions. Ellen Dunn and Julie Stone highlight the need for clear standards, especially as more therapists work with digital tools that involve sensitive client data. UKCP is leading by example, promoting ethical use of AI and protecting client privacy with digital therapy spaces. The UKCP's vision also includes expanding training opportunities through AI, which can make learning more accessible and interactive. Dr. Peter Pearce of the Metanoia Institute notes that AI-powered simulations and avatars can safely prepare trainees to handle complex client scenarios. Now, this shift opens doors for a diverse new generation of therapists, aligning with UKCP's goal of broadening access to the profession and enhancing training effectiveness. Through active involvement in the AI Coalition, UKCP is setting an example for ethical AI integration in therapy. By establishing standards, conducting research, and educating therapists and the public, UKCP is positioned as a guiding force in the responsible use of AI in mental health. Now, this commitment ensures that AI-driven solutions align with UKCP's ethical standards, creating a future where technology and human expertise work hand in hand to deliver exceptional mental health care. In sum, UKCP's new AI strategy exemplifies how the organisation is balancing innovation with the core values of psychotherapy to ensure that AI enhances rather than diminishes the profession. This proactive approach by UKCP is setting the stage for a future where mental health care is accessible, ethical, and enriched by technology. Thank you for joining me today on Shrink by Quint. And if you found this episode helpful, please subscribe, share it with others, or leave a review. Your feedback helps me continue to provide what I hope is valuable content to support your mental health journey. Remember, your health is your wealth. Until next time, take care.